Namaste, Soul Circle! I'm Steven.
I'm Candice.
And we're from Arcana, Mind, Body, Spirit, located in Toronto, Canada.
Today, it's all about fire moons.
Oh yeah, baby.
And discovering what your moon sign is about, but also what it impacts and why it's so important. So let's dive in and see what it's like to set your emotions on fire in the best way possible.
I mean, I get it. I am a fire moon.
Yeah, I know. we heard you.
Every video.
Yeah.
We got it. You're a fire. Yeah. You're a fire.
We'll understand more about those moons in a few minutes.
Let's do it.
Most people know their sun sign or have heard about it at least. The classic line, "Hey baby, what's your sign?" That
works
kind of,
every time.
I mean, if it's worked for you, please leave a comment below. Your sun sign is significant to who you are at your core, what your driving force is, and all the ways that you express yourself, like your personality. It's basically how you experience the world around you. Think of it as being what you want. Your moon sign, however, is more about who's behind the curtain, or in comparison to the sun, it's about what you need. It's your soul versus your identity. The moon sign is all about processing feelings, the subconscious of your deepest emotions. You could say then that if the sun is the driving force behind self-expression, the moon is the driving force behind your emotional expression.
Your moon sign also represents how you nurture yourself instinctively. What is self-love for you? How do you feel your way through loss, joy, fear, excitement? You can easily check on your own chart online by visiting sites such as astro.com or astrocafe.com, or you can take advantage of one of Arcana's many services, which is our virtual natal chart journey. Just head on over to www.arcanamindbodyspirit.com and go to our service page. You'll be able to enroll on that, and then we can get you started.
So regardless of how you do it, once your chart is in your hands, you'll notice it's broken into 12 sections for each of the zodiac signs, Aries through to Pisces. If the moon is orbiting in the domain of Sagittarius, that would mean you're a Sagittarius moon. So look for that little crescent moon symbol on your chart, and alas, where she be is your moon sign. Again, we can help you with this, as at first glance, looking at your natal chart, it can be kind of overwhelming.
Absolutely. That's why we're here. Okay, so now we move into the rock stars of the moon signs. Okay, so have you ever walked into a room at like a really busy party and you like see that guy across the room, you just can't take your eyes off of him, and like no matter what, you haven't even talked to him, you don't know anything about him, but God, that guy, there's just something about him. That is Leo moon energy.
They love talking about themselves.
We love it. Sorry, if you didn't get it, I'm a Leo moon. I'm sorry. Continue.
They're also very creative, passionate, sometimes stubborn, lazy, and a little self-centered. But warm-hearted and very generous are our Leo moons.
Thanks.
This is the second of the fire signs. So take a look at your chart and see if you see that little crescent moon in the domain of Leo. Pay attention because this is all about you. Yes, you, Steven, it's all about you.
It's about me all.
Our creative Leo lions are loyal and true with their emotions, full-heartedly cheering their loved ones on with optimism and respect. The same respect they demand back. Leo moons do not do well with feeling taken for granted or betrayal. That said, who doesn't feel that way?
Right.
But for a Leo, their main source of self-nourishment is being in situations with the highest standard for nobility, respect, and trust.
The heart of a Leo moon is one of generosity, adventure. They love being in the center of attention and enjoy entertaining loved ones in their home. A little lazy at times, private when it comes to sorting out personal situations, which can be difficult when they so easily get caught up in the moment. Their greatest downfall, they say, is that every Leo moon out there is a rock star with the potential to change the world. But they never realize their own full potential. So, if you have any Leo moons in your life, do your best to encourage them to take the risks that could possibly change the world.
Interesting. Some celebrity Leo moons to further help paint this picture are David Bowie, great love of mine, Patrick Swayze, Charlize Theron, and political figures like Gandhi, Louis XIII, and Queen Elizabeth.
So moving on to love and relationships. Because a Leo moon's pride takes precedence, when the respect you expect is broken, your confidence can tend to drop. Therefore, in relationships, a Leo moon can tend to hide their true feelings that they have and test out the potential of a new lover or relationship. The romance of a relationship is their sweet spot. They love the attention and they're happiest when they are in love. A great romantic partner for a Leo moon sign would be a Gemini moon or an Aries or Sagittarius moon. Less compatible would be like a Pisces, Scorpio, or even another Leo moon sign.
Too much.
Too much. I'm a lot on my...
It is too much.
It's a lot.
Yeah, that's way too much.
There can only be one me.
So, moving into careers, naturally expressing their creative flair within the leadership position, a Leo moon is able to brighten up the work environment and goals laid out for the team. Because they demand respect, they also give it with equal passion and confidence. Fighting for a good cause is easy to give back with love and manifest while creating all that you and those you share these goals with aim for. Using your charisma, great sense of humor to bring the team together.
You know that the nickname for a Leo moon is the rock star profile?
Yeah, you said that?
I'm a rock star.
You said that. Okay.
Right? This is also interesting to really look at the different profiles that sort of differ away from just the sun sign.
Yeah.
So
it's also interesting when you think about, like, when I'm thinking about the Sagittarius sun signs that I know, and then I just really want to pull every single person I know. I want to pull their chart.
Yeah, I want to know everything about all of them.
This is how you are. This is your sun sign, but what is actually your moon sign? Right? Like, I want to see.
I want to see that back door.
Yeah, exactly.
So be sure to comment below and let us know what your moon sign is and how you identify with it. And make sure you come back next week when we jump into our water moon sign.
Spoiler alert, that's me. So hit like and subscribe to our channel so that you can find your way back to us. In the meantime, Arcana releases 3 videos a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On Mondays this month, we will be discussing the different phases of the moon and how you can use their energies to manifest change in your life. Wednesdays, we will continue on our moon sign journey, and on Fridays, we'll be starting our goddess series.
So excited about all of this. Thanks for being here today. Many blessings, and we'll see you next episode.
Much love.
Namaste.